If your skin is breaking out on and off, we're talking small breakouts, not big juicy pimples. There are 4 things I want you to try first before hopping on acne treatments. Number 1, simplify your skincare routine, just a gentle cleanser and a moisturizer. If you are staying inside, you can even skip your sunscreen for a couple of days until your skin feels better. Number 2, when you go back to your sunscreen, make sure it's a mineral sunscreen containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Most people's skin is tolerating mineral sunscreens much better, and most people break out much less when they're using mineral sunscreens than when they're using chemical sunscreens. Number 3, stop all the manual or physical exfoliation. It includes any cleansing brushes, any scrubs, any exfoliating mitts, and any dry brushes. When I see people using that stuff on their faces, it just terrifies me so much. A lot of people stop breaking out once they stop physical exfoliation. And number 4, get a shower filter, especially if you're living in the area that has hard water. I cannot stress enough how much this can help. When you try these tips, make sure to come back to this video and let me know how it went.